If a brake job comes back to your shop, don't automatically assume it's because of the parts. It could have been a skipped step, and when it comes to brake rotors, skipping measurements is one of the most expensive mistakes a shop can make. Whether the rotors are old, resurfaced, or straight out of the box, measuring them isn't optional. It's essential to verify they are within specification. Let's talk about why next. Let's start with the big picture. Brake pulsation doesn't come from thin air. It's created when the rotor isn't running true or isn't the same thickness all the way around. That's why every brake job should begin and end with measurements. Lateral runout is one issue you cannot ignore. This isn't about thickness, it's about wobble. A rotor can meet spec and still not spin in the same plane as the hub. That wobble causes the caliper body to move and forces the pads to ride high spots on the rotor. Over time, that uneven contact creates disc thickness variation, or DTV, and that's where pulsation shows up. When the brakes are applied, thick spots on the rotor push the caliper piston back into the bore, while thin spots let it extend. That constant in and out motion turns the caliper into a hydraulic pump. Since brake fluid doesn't compress, that movement travels through the system and ends up at the brake pedal as pulsation. But here's the key point. Installing new rotors does not eliminate the need to measure. New pads and rotors only eliminate parts that are below specification. They do not solve pulsation problems. For every brake job, you should measure for runout, rotor and flange, before service. And after resurfacing or installing a new rotor, you measure again as a quality control method. Measuring verifies that the rotor is true when installed, not just that the part in the box met spec. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.